Hi guys, we're back here in Unit 2 with Systems of Linear Equations, and we're on Tier 2, and we are down to Lesson 5, Systems with 3 Equations in Tier 2. So let's check off that we're doing our booklet. Here are our 3 equations. Notice that we conveniently labeled them 1, 2, and 3. So again, we got to follow some steps to get this to come out for us. And the first step is to solve for either x or y in one of these equations by elimination. 4x plus y, which is equation 3, is equal to 14. And then I'm going to take equation 2, and I'm going to multiply equation 2 by negative 4, which is x plus 3y is equal to 11. And that's going to give me a new equation for equation 2 of negative 4x minus 12y equals negative 44. So now when I add these two together, equation 3 and my new equation 2, I'm going to get 0x minus 11y equals 30. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 11, and I'm going to get that y is equal to negative 30 over 11. So now that I have found one of my variables, I'm going to plug that back in up here to, let's go back to equation 2, x plus 3. Now we got negative 30 over 11 is equal to 11. Now we're going to solve for our x variable. So this is going to be x plus negative 90 over 11 equals 11. And you can use your calculator to do a lot of this fraction work. We have to add this to both sides because this is a positive and a negative. So this is actually a negative here. So we have to add 90 elevenths both sides. That's going to give us x is equal to 211 over 11. So now we want to use these two variables, what they equal, which is x equals 211 over 11, y equals negative 30 over 11, and we want to plug that into equation 1, solve for z. We're going to have 2x minus y plus z equals 4. We're going to have 2 times 211 over 11 minus negative 30 over 11 plus z is equal to 4, which is going to give us 422 over 11 plus 30 over 11 plus z equals 4. So we're going to have 452 over 11 plus z equals 4. And now we have to subtract this from both sides. Minus 452 over 11 minus 452 over 11. So we have z is equal to negative 408 over 11. So now we have our three values, even though they're a little goofy. We're going to put this in x, y, z form. So I'm not even going to try to write it in this. Here's our z value, there's our x value, and here's our y value. The solution now is 211 over 11, comma, y, which is negative 30 over 11, and then our z, which is negative 408 over 11. So that is our solution for all three of these lines. This is the point in the plane that these three lines would intersect. These three lines right here.